So in this video, we are going to see how we can implement on-click listener for this recycler view. You can see here, if I click the first item, it's showing the toast message as this is 0, which means in array, it starts from the 0. That's why it's showing the first element as 0. If I click the second one, it's showing the 1, which means in the array, it's 1 mean equal to 2. First of all, this is a new Android Studio version that's called Arctic Fox, Android Studio Arctic Fox. If you guys don't have the Arctic Android Studio, just go and download. I love this Arctic Fox Android Studio. This is pretty cool, better than the Canary build. Other than the features, I like the typography of the Arctic Fox. So first of all, this is my YouTube channel. If you guys don't subscribe, go and subscribe. You can see here, I installed the Canary version and the Arctic Fox. Nowadays, I like to do project in Arctic Fox because nowadays I love so much. So you can see here, if you guys familiar with the IntelliJ IDE, this is like similar to the IntelliJ because the same developers developed the Android Studio also. So I'm going to click the Recycler View project, which project is I implemented Recycler View in last video. You can see the project loaded successfully. So I am using the M1 Mac. So you can see here, the M1 Mac doesn't support emulators, but since last month they introduced new emulators here. So in order to work with the emulators, we have to download Android Studio SDK version 30. If you guys don't know how to download the emulators, just you can see here the AVD manager. Just click the AVD manager. You can see create virtual devices. Then you have to choose which virtual devices you are going to make. So in my case, I'm going to make a phone. So here we have to choose the hardware of the device. So I just click Pixel 3 XL and click next. Here we have to download the system images. So I'm using M1. M1 currently supporting 30 and 31. That's called S. So I already downloaded 30, so I no need to create an emulator again. So if you guys don't know, just click next. It will automatically create an emulator. In my case, I don't want to create emulators anymore. I close this one. You can see I selected the emulator Nexus 6 API 30 and I run this project. You can see here every card you have same value. This will make a confusion in future. So in order to fix this one, I'm going to change the values here. So as of now, it's fine. So I'm going to expand the adapter and the model class. You can see I just click the adapter person. Before creating an interface, I'm telling a small introduction about the interface. The interface is an abstraction. The interface only can have method declaration. There are no body. Here I am going to create one interface. The interface name called my interface. Here I want to declare one method that's called get position. So now I'm going to declare this interface in the top. So here I'm going to create one set method to equal the interfaces. So I created the method. In the set interface method, I'm going to pass this interface. Then I'm going to equal this interface with this interface. So there are some confusion here. So in order to fix the confusion, I just give one here and the bottom. You can see in the viewholder class, I'm going to implement on-click listener. This on-click listener, you have to make sure that is from the android.view.view. This is the default interface in Android. I just click you can see this is showing an error. So I just click the bulb icon. It's asked to implement the methods. So why is that? Just click on click with a command. You can see here the default interface having one method called on click. So if we implement on click in our vHolder class, we should want to implement the method. So I just click implement, click OK. You can see this is implemented, but we not yet set a click event for our item. So in order to set the click event for the item, I just type item view, which I get it from this one. Then here I have to get the adapter position. So adapter position is an integer. Here I want to check my interface, so which I created before, this not equal to null, which means it is having some value. So here I am going to check the recycler view position not equal to recycler view dot no position. Then I have to call this interface. Here I pass the parameter here position. Actually this get adapter position come after the custom interface checked. So I am going to the main activity. So in order to implement the adapter person my interface method in the main activity, I must have to implement my interface. Then you can see it's showing an error message. So what is the error message? So implement the method. So I just click the implement method. So I just click OK. You can see method is implemented, but I not yet set a value for the listener. You can see I created one public method to set a listener here. So in order to check that one, I call the adapter person. So in the adapter person, this is a public method, so it's mean I can access from the outside. I just get like set interface. Here I can pass this class context. I just give this context. So here I am going to type one toast message here. This is I pass the position here. So everything settled perfectly. So I'm going to run my app again. It's asking to terminate. So I just click the second item. You can see here I can get this is first. According to the array, it's take the first element as 0. You can see I click the first string, it's showing the 0. If I click second one, that's the value is 1. So our on click listener, I mean our custom on click interface is working. This is my YouTube channel. If you guys don't subscribe, go and subscribe.